the problem discovery itself happens with the business person. So let's say you are a factory operator, you want to improve the energy efficiency of your factory. We'll work with you and say, okay, what causes this? How can we help you? How can we give you some signals or some recommendations? So there'll be something, and then we'll work with you to say, why don't you try it? So it's almost like saying that you have been given a car where the manual says you can't drive more than 80 kilometers, but we'll help you figure out that you can actually drive at 90 kilometers without any major problem and no risk and all that. So we are actually using it to amplify human potential wherever possible. And given that we are a growing company and a growing economy, the expectation is that you can do more with the same set of people. So the intent is not to get rid of people. In fact, in our group and in our company, there are people, but people is not a huge line item cost in the balance sheet as well. Because if you look at a manufacturing company's P&L, human resource is not such a big item as it is, let's say, in a bank or something. So our group is a largely manufacturing group. So capex and other things are much more. These are relatively small, and therefore we think that as you continue to grow, I mean, you think about Ultratech Siemens. It's a company which was a 100 million ton, 150, 200, 250. It's growing like crazy. So I think there's an opportunity that you can do more with less. In fact, in future maybe we can do even some dark factories or very few people, because you can set up the new plant with very few people, someone from here only looking at it. So we are looking at it truly as how the copybook style to say you enhance human potential, allowing them to do more creative things, more things, grow things. And this is possible, I think, in a growing company and a growing economy. I think if I was sitting right now in the US, an economy which is not growing as rapidly, and if I was working in a service industry, my challenges would have been vastly different. So actually, right now, I'm very happy that I'm in India and in a manufacturing heavy company
Mm-hmm.
where the opportunities are tremendous, and the ability to use physical AI takes time. It's not as if you tomorrow I can bring robots in and do things. So therefore, the possibility of getting used to it and adopting is again a long cycle time. So I think not that I chose it, but a manufacturing heavy conglomerate is, I think, an ideal place in which to apply AI, because one, you can't do it very quickly. Two, we are also in industry where we are market leaders. So it's not as if, if we didn't do it tomorrow, someone will come and eat our cake. No, we can do it at our own pace. We can choose to do it in the way that we want to, and we can lead the way, so forth. So I think that's how we are doing it. So there isn't, I know somewhere on the screen, some people do think about their individual job loss and all that. And now we have figured out a way to help them see that how you can be more productive and more proactive and do more versus worrying about job losses. So I think this is a good thing, and we can use it for a positive way. I don't know the answer. If someone were to say, if you were sitting in Oracle or Google or Amazon, where there are very human resource heavy people, and suddenly you say that Claude Code can do most of the work and you don't need people, I don't see an easy answer to those problems. Thankfully, I'm not sitting in those positions to take calls.
Yeah, because in the service industry, which in a lot of the advanced economies, a majority of GDP is from service industries. And service industries, as you rightly said, are more vulnerable to this.